Hi everyone, it's Jamie, AirDNA Product Marketing Director and host of an Airbnb in the Outer Banks, North Carolina. I'm going to take you through this property comparison chart today and just break down what this is showing you. To help you understand what we're looking at, this is under My Properties, and this is my actual property in Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. I have my Airbnb listing connected into AirDNA MarketMinder. There's some videos on that if you need some help with that. And then I also have my custom comp set homes selected. Again, there's another video on that. So you're going to want to do those two things in order to see this information. If you need help, just reach out and we'll help you get that all set up. But for right now, let's take a look at this property comparison. So over here, it kind of makes it clear this top darker line is your property, this exact listing. And then the bottom light blue line are the competitors that you have selected in your custom comp set. I have 21 people that I compare to nearby my home. You can have more, less, it goes up to 100, whatever you want to best benchmark your property. But these are my top 21 competitors, in my opinion. So what we're looking at here, let's start with future occupancy. So this top line is my future occupancy, which is 8% of my available days for the next year, the future booking year. And this is based on real data pulling from your Airbnb listing. And then these little numbers are going to be the average of the lowest average and the highest average of your selected competitors. So I have some people I compare to who have no listings or no occupancy right now. And then the top is really only 15%. So I'm not too far off. And then this plus or minus number is how you're comparing recently to the competition. So how much you're above them or how much you're below them. And then moving on, we have booked rates. This is your average daily booked rate for any bookings you have in the next year. Again, how you compare to the competition. And then you can see what the average lowest and the average highest is for your competitors. So, I'm quite a bit higher than my lowest competitor. We're heading into the off season. The Outer Banks is a coastal town, if you couldn't tell from the name. So some people do drop their prices for the off season. And then again, some people are right in line with me. And then booking lead time, how far in advance guests book your property. My average booking lead time is 59 days, which is quite a bit lower than a lot of my other competitors. You can see some people are getting bookings up, about 180 days out. So we have some room for improvement there if we want to do some promotions or do some advertising there, just to kind of help get that up. That's where how you can practically apply some of this information. And then all of that is taken into a booking performance score, again, compared to the competition you have selected, kind of telling you how you're doing. And this is intended to help you understand your future revenue potential. But again, that's just kind of a quick breakdown of how to read all of these charts. And if you want to drill down into how exact competitors are performing, you just click into your comps and then you can see a little bit more detailed information on a one-to-one basis, their occupancy rate, their average daily rate, their revenue, and all of that good stuff. So it's a really great way to understand how you're doing against the competition and areas for improvement. Like right now, my average booking rate is pretty good, but my lead time could use some help. So I might go do some promotion around that. And then obviously, the more bookings I get, the better my future occupancy will be. So it's all tied together. Anyway, if you have any questions on this, again, feel free to reach out to us. We will help you get it set up or explain it. We also have a help center you can find on our website or down here in MarketMinder. It's just this little help center, and you can go ahead and add your questions. But until then, go set your comps, play around, see what everyone else is doing, and happy listing.